This is a big storm. We see Cuba coming up very soon, and yeah, and Cuba's just above the storm in the field of view here. I'm sorry, just below. That storm is doing a good job of filling up the Caribbean here.
Copy that, Mike.
And as Mike's junior weather apprentice, I concur. Okay, you can really see the structure of the storm now. It's a classic pinwheel, the outer bands. We're over the top of the outer bands, and moving in toward the center. We're going to be real close to the middle of the storm. It looks like it's going to be just off of our right side, if you will, starboard side for the Navy folks in the crowd. And you can see how the storm is going over the islands out here. You've got it's just the beautiful turquoise blue waters of the Caribbean, with this storm just blanketing it.
Well, the view is spectacular from down here. I can only imagine what you're looking at, Mike and Ron.
Okay, we're coming close. We ought to be able to see down the eye. It's not quite as clear of an opening as we had yesterday. You can see the structure, but it's not as clear. So it's right down the middle, and I think we're going to go close enough. We'll get a video. You see a little bit of blue down through it.
And Mike, we're getting word that the storm has gone through an eye wall replacement overnight, and that is why the eye looks a little different today than yesterday.
Okay, copy that. Well, you could see it's right in the center of the field of view right now. And of course, we've got unmapped as wide as it goes with a doubler, and that doesn't come close to giving a full view.
Yeah, that is absolutely amazing, Mike.
Yeah, we understand that Irene is still a Category 3 with winds at 115. There's a lot of hot water out here, and a lot of people on these islands. I know they're battening down the hatches. We haven't had to deal with anything like this for a while.
That's another great view, Mike.
And we're just off the coast of the Carolinas now, in the Outer Bank area, and that's the direction we understand the storm is headed. It's got a ways to go. It's clear here. There's a little bit of structure in the clouds, but not much. I take that back. There's thin stuff that's actually spiraling way out here. In Houston, we're just talking here, and it struck us. We're used to traveling a long ways in a short amount of time, but this storm is stretching from Cuba to the Carolinas, and that is one scary big storm.
Yeah, you bet, Mike. I mean, it was almost 6 minutes that you guys were directly over that thing, so that just gives us a little bit of the scale. It's pretty incredible. And, Mike, they're reporting almost a 300-mile wide wind field on it, so it's pretty enormous.
Wow. Is there any word on the expectations for further strengthening before additional landfall?
Well, Mike, right now they're still holding it at a very strong Cat 3 with maybe a little more strengthening, but they don't expect it to reach Cat 4.
Okay, copy that. As wide as the wind field is on this storm, there's going to be they're going to take a beating for a long time as this thing goes across land, as it's doing right now. So it's not going to be a short effect kind of thing. It's just going to really take a thumping.
Yeah, you bet. And we'll keep you updated throughout the night and into tomorrow.
Copy that. Appreciate it. And from the International Space Station, our prayers and hopes are with the people who are hunkering down. Good luck.